We have seen a surge in COVID-19 cases during this festive season, with 1,342 COVID-19 cases and 29 deaths being recorded in a week, representing the highest recorded so far. We have seen the number of COVID-19 cases and deaths almost double in 2 months, from 8,374 on 1 November to 14,084 to date. The cumulative number of COVID-19 cases in Zimbabwe as of 1 January 2021 is now 14,084 cases and 369 deaths. In view of this surge in COVID-19 cases, the government has intensified testing and patient care throughout all provinces. In light of the recent surge in COVID-19 cases, the following stiff lockdown measures are being put in place with immediate effect. 1. Gatherings are reduced to not more than 30 people at all funerals. All other gatherings at weddings, churches, bars, bottle stores, gymnasiums, restaurants, etc., are banned for 30 days. 2. The existing COVID-19 preventive health measures will be strictly enforced. That is to say, correct wearing of face masks, social distancing, hand sanitization, and temperature checks will be strictly enforced and offenders will be prosecuted. 3. Only essential services are to remain open, such as hospitals, pharmacies, and supermarkets, with only essential staff allowed to come to work. These services can only open at 8 a.m. and must close at 3 p.m. and will be subject to curfew that will start at 6 p.m. and end 6 a.m. 4. Of the other commercial services, only Part 4 lockdown order services, such as mining, manufacturing, and agriculture, will operate as before. Other commercial services specified in Part 5 of the lockdown order, that is to say, all formal businesses and registered informal traders, are suspended from Tuesday, 5 January 2021 for 30 days. 5. Inter-provincial and inter-city transport services are restricted only to essential services and Part 4 commercial services. 6. People must stay at home, save for buying food and medicine or transporting sick relatives. Other exceptions are as specified in the lockdown order. 7. As for schooling, only examination classes are to open now. 8. Cross-border traders are stopped forthwith, save for commercial and transit cargo related to essential and critical services. 9. Air transport remains unhindered and will continue as before, with arrivals and returning residents required to present COVID-19 free certificates. As for land access, only returning residents and essential drivers will be admitted, subject to presentation of COVID-19 free certificates. These certificates must have been issued at least 48 hours before departure. Lastly, 10. Just to be clear, restaurants, bottle stores, and bars are closed for 30 days, except for bars and restaurants serving hotel restaurants. Also, tourist facilities and national parks will operate as before, subject to the usual health precautions.